How to restart my FreshBooks all over. Want to start your FreshBooks all over? Here's how to reset your account step by step. So first, you can manually delete invoices, expenses, payments, projects, and clients. This clears old records but keeps your account active. So head over into the section where you want to delete files and then check this check mark at the left side, select bulk actions, and click on delete from here. Now, for expenses, select multiple entries and delete them in bulk. This speeds up the cleanup process. You can also opt for account cancellation. So click on your profile icon at the top right and then select billing and upgrade. And then from here, you should find the cancel account button. Then create a new FreshBooks account with a clean slate. Note that FreshBooks does not offer a one-click wipe. Deletion is permanent, so check with your accountant before clearing records. Restarting FreshBooks means either manual deletion for partial reset or account cancellation for a full restart.